Clean, clean, clean your room. Make some space, make some room. Clean, clean, every day. Put your toys all away. Pick it up, 1, 2, 3. Come and clean along with me. On the floor, toys around. Let's lift everything from the ground. Put the blocks in the box. Line them up in the box. Cars go here, dolls go there. Everything has place to share. Books go back on the shelf. You can do it by yourself. Nice and slow, take your time. Cleaning up can be just fine. Fold your clothes nice and neat. Put your shoes under your feet. Make your bed smooth and tight. Now your room looks clean and bright. Clean, clean, look around. No more mess on the ground. Shiny space, happy place. Big, big smile on your face. Great job now, you are done. Cleaning room can be fun. Clap your hands, 1, 2, 3. So proud of you. Yes, we see.